the firstborn son of Firstborn Son Home Services, coming to you from beautiful Langley, British Columbia. Today's chat is, how do you like your doorbell? I currently sport a Pro version 1. A little bit quicker than the base, 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. Does the trick, 1080p, live view, two-way talk. The majority of my installs nowadays are the Ring wired 2021 version. 1080p, live view, two-way talk, smart detect with a subscription, a fantastic doorbell in a very small form factor. It does the trick for most homes. Pair it with a chime, an Echo device. It's a fantastic little doorbell. Speaking of that doorbell and wired chime, it comes as a combo. Again, very small form factor, that Ring chime plugged into your home. 12 customizable ringtones, motion tones, volume. A fantastic pair to your Ring doorbell. And the last doorbell that I stock on a regular basis and do installs with is the Ring Video Doorbell 2020 edition. Available as battery or wired. Its greatest feature, package detect. With a subscription, when a package is left in the delivery zone, you will be notified with a specific notification that you have a package received. Ring Video Doorbell.
Someone is at the front door. Someone is at the front door.